discoveries, we have organized Science Day celebration. First, I will introduce you in today's program. The program will begin with the lighting of the lamps. Introduction of the chief guest will be given by Vedika Satpute. Our respected principal ma'am will felicitate our honorable chief guest. There will be teachers address, student chief guest, Oza ma'am will address our students. After all, our program will come to an end with vote of thanks. Thank you.
With the lighting of the lamp, let peace and harmony prevail over conflict and discord. Through the radiance of lamp, let us seek the blessing of divine and find solace in spiritual pursuits. Just as the lamp dispels darkness, let us strive to dispel negativity and bring positivity in our lives. So here I invite respected principal ma'am and today's chief guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Oza ma'am, to kindle the lamp. Please ma'am.
Basic and dynamic and versatile science teacher of AIS, Mrs. Triveni Acharya ma'am, to address the student on the occasion of Science Day. Thank you, Triveni.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today it gives me immense pleasure to speak here. Today's chief guest is my college teacher, and I am very happy to speak here today on the occasion of Science Day. Good afternoon one and all present over here. Respected principal ma'am, honorable chief guest, teachers and my dear students. As you know that today is National Science Day, so we have gathered here to celebrate it. Creative minds lead to evolution of great sciences, and here presented everyone has creative mind, and I wish you all happy National Science Day. Do you know when everybody was thinking that sea travel, it is just as an experience. One unique mind from United Kingdom to India. What was his question? He questioned that find the horizon. You know horizon? Yes, where the sky and the sea meet. Why it looks blue? Do you know what is the reason behind it? Why does it look blue? Yes? No? Okay, I will tell you. That is because of the scattering of light. And this phenomenon of scattering of light is the discovery of that unique mind, Dr. Sir C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. His discovery of Raman effect on 28th February 1928, and that's for his discovery he was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1930. Then why do we celebrate this day? Because we celebrate this day because this day commemorates remarkable contributions and inventions of the scientists. This day ensures scientific temper among us and significance of the science in our daily lives. Science is the heart of the society. See, without science, without its function, nothing can be made. And this day is not just a celebration, but it is tribute to the pursuit of knowledge that has shaped the world. The science is an integral part of our life. In the morning we wake up when our alarm goes off, and at night we turn off the lights and go to bed. This all the luxurious we can afford because of the scientific inventions, technological achievements. Then I request you all that today on this National Science Day, you promise yourself that you will follow scientific attitude. What is scientific attitude? What kind of behavior you should have? See simply, as science imparts us how to think properly. So scientific attitude is nothing but it is the method of thinking rationally, then logically and properly without any bias and prejudiced notion. Why should have this scientific attitude? Because if you will think unscientifically or you will behave unscientifically, then you will create problem for the society and even for the world also. Even you all know that these scientific achievements or technological achievements we have achieved, if they are used in a proper way, they are beneficial for the society. But if mishandled, then it becomes danger for everyone. That's why when you use these all scientific technologies, then you should consider all the ethical and social implications of these achievements. Then only we are able to create better future for everyone. An American engineer, Bill Nye, he has wisely said, science is key for our future. And if you don't believe in science, then you are holding everyone back. One more thing I would like to tell you on this day, that you accept challenges. And when you will fulfill these challenges, you have to fight for that. That is the battle. And in this battle, when you will fight, you have to use some weapons or tools. But what will be your tools? Gun? Atomic bomb? No. Your weapons will be your determined aim, then your hard work. Next, you have to continuously acquire knowledge. And last one is that you preserve to realize the great achievements. Now, let's embrace the power of science and technology to make this world better and better future of everyone here. Once again, I wish you happy National Science Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Triveni ma'am. Now to introduce you with our honorable and inspiring guest, I call upon Vedika Satpute.
Vedika, very delighted to introduce our today's chief guest, respected Dr. Rajeshwari Oza ma'am, who has warmly accepted our invitation and joined us. Rajeshwari ma'am's educational qualifications are MSc PhD, as she is a PhD holder. One student awarded PhD degree and 3 are doing research under her guidance. She has 18 years teaching experience. She is HOD in Post-Graduational Department of Chemistry in SN Arts and DJ Malpani Commerce and BN Sarada Science College, Sangamner. She is recipient of many awards like State Level Best Teacher Award from Vishwa Shanti, Bahuddeshya Seva Bhavi Sanstha, State Level Savitribai Phule Best Teacher Award, Kolhapur. She has been honored with Best Teacher Award 2 times from SN Arts, DJ Malpani Commerce and BNS Science College, Sangamner. Her 74 research papers have been published in international journals. She has published 3 reference books with renowned Professor T.S. Kalsi sir and also has recorded 1 patent as well. Her 16 papers published in conference proceeding at international level 7, national level 8 and state level 1. She presented 49 papers in different conferences, symposia, seminars at international level 19, national level 27 and state level 3. She also has participated in 14 conferences, seminars, workshops and symposia. She has worked as an editor in 3 conference proceedings. She is interested in different researches like natural products, catalysis, environmental remedies, nanotechnology and green chemistry. Today we are a very privileged audience as we will have guidance of respected Oza ma'am. I warmly welcome you ma'am on behalf of Amrutwani International School. Thank you and happy science.
Now I request respected Inamda ma'am to felicitate our chief guest. strong ability to think critically. Studying science encourages the integration of subjects and ideas. It inspires curiosity and an attitude of discovery. Now we are moving towards science experiments and demonstration.
I am glad to tell you that our school students of class 7th and 9th participate in regional level science exhibition held at Pune in the month of December 2023. They have presented their innovative projects and achieved 4th rank. So now I would like to call upon Master Omkar Kadne and Master Alok Deshmukh to demonstrate the science project deriving biochar from date seed.
Everyone, my name is Alok Deshmukh from class 9D.
And I am from 9th. So we came up with an idea to convert date seeds into activated carbon and purify water. So first, nowadays we know that many harmful metals like iron, copper, zinc, industrialist and environmental. And colored water from textile industries is also very harmful. Many complex processes like coloring, washing, dyeing is done in the textile industries, due to which this colored water is produced. So we came up with an idea to convert date seeds into activated carbon. What we did was, we did the date seeds, we kept the date seeds in the muffle furnace and heated it. And went the process under carbonization.
So there are three processes involved in this experiment. They are first is the carbonization. Carbonization is the process in which the date seeds are heated at very high temperatures at about 600 degrees Celsius, and we get biochar, like biocharcoal out of the date seeds. So here you can see the samples of the biochar. Then second process is the adsorption. Adsorption is the surface phenomenon in which the impurities of the solution are settled on the top of the adsorbent. Then the third process in it is the incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion takes place in the muffler furnace where oxygen is not allowed to react with date seeds. So if it reacts with the date seeds, we get carbon dioxide instead of biochar.
The materials which we used in this experiment are muffle furnace with air atmosphere, muffle furnace with nitrogen atmosphere, some date seeds, crucible, filter paper, butter paper. So methods. First we took some date seeds from local market and removed the date seeds. Then these seeds were then cleaned with distilled water 3 to 4 times and let them dry. After that, we kept the seed in the crucible, means a cup, which can just contain heat up to 600 degrees Celsius. So we kept this crucible in the muffle furnace at 300 degrees Celsius for half an hour to let the seed dry. Then we kept these seeds in an aluminium cover, due to which the air cannot mix with the date seeds at 600 degrees Celsius for half an hour, due to which the date seeds went under the process of carbonization and we formed the date seeds formed carbon, pure carbon. After these date seeds in the solid form, so we grinded it and made it in the powder form, due to which we got this biochar.
Experiment we did with this biochar is the experiment with methylene blue solution. We can assume that this methylene blue is the industrial dye. So you can see that first it seemed to be like this in the blue color. After we add the biochar, it becomes completely transparent. So the impurities are settled on the top of the layer of the methylene blue. So we can conclude that it is cleaning the liquid.
Now we can use this biochar in many places, like in chemical industries or textile industries, to purify water. Nowadays, wastewater is just poured in the rivers, due to which aquatic life is harmed. So first, we can just use this biochar to just get the chemical out from the water, and now the water can be reused or then flowed in the rivers. Thank you.
Present over here myself Aryan Rai.
Myself, Ananda. Today we have prepared tea fortified with the help of Moringa nutraceuticals. Moringa oleifera is a plant that is often called drumstick tea, the bean oil tree, and the miracle tree. It is the native part of sub-Himalayan tracts, India, Asia, Africa, and Saudi Arabia.
Classification of Moringa oleifera. It belongs to genus Plantae, division Magnolipsida, class Magnoliphyta, order Brassilis, family Moringaceae, genus Moringa and species Oleifera.
Procedure. Our procedure involves following steps. Step 1. Drying of moringa leaves and preparation of powder by solar drying and sun drying. Step 2. Preparation of moringa herbal green tea bags with aroma of tulsi. Step 3. Extraction of moringa leaves with the help of ethanol. We have done the extraction of moringa leaves with the help of ethanol. This was done in different batches. Batch 4 and 5 was selected.
From this we conclude that Moringa oleifera is a plant belonging to family Moringaceae. Moringa oleifera leaves contains the vitamins, protein, fiber, copper, magnesium and etc. Today people prevent to drink tea, so we have made this tea. This is healthy and herbal tea. This tea contains the antioxidants which protect us from the tumors of brain, pancreas, stomach and colon.
It gives me great pleasure to call upon our today's chief guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Oza ma'am, to guide our student with her valuable words. Please ma'am.
To all of you. Good afternoon. You are tired? No? Then again, good afternoon to all of you. Thank you so much. Now, one thing I want to say, just sit in a row and straight. Can you sit down straightly? Very good. Nice to see you. Fine. So, today's dais members of your core committee members, dear teachers and dear students, my student, my friend and dear students, I'm very happy to see you all talent young buds of this international school with CBSE board. And as I know, up to last year and all years you have different type of activities on this National Science Day. But this year, due to board examinations, these type of activities are not there. But some students shown about the activities of the related to chemistry. That's I'm very happy to see that that young talent students are doing these type of activities. And what I'm seeing here, that some students are so small, from second or third standards they are here. So I want to interact with you. I don't want to say anything much more about, because this subject of science is a very vast subject. When we say about, and another thing, as you know, this National Science Day, or some of the colleagues, your teachers, students said about this day and about the opportunities, what you can get from that. Behind that, one thing I want to say, that every year, as 2024, this is the year 2024, what is the National Science Day theme is this time? So this theme is about the indigenous technology for the Viksit Bharat. As you know, this indigenous technology, what it is exactly? Anybody can say? Anybody knows about it? Huh? You know about you heard the name of scientist? Any scientist name anyone can say, please? Scientist name, yes, speak beta. Yes? Very good, Thomas Edison. What do you know about the Thomas Edison? Yes. Very good. He said that he invented the bulb. You know behind the story of this bulb invention? Anybody knows the story? Yes, what was the story, beta? Very good. Clap for him, please. Everybody should clap. Fine, very good. What you can understand from these things, you know that he had tried to invent 8,000 times. You know, 1,000 times? When you do something at your home, you are studying something, what do you think that you are doing somewhere, you are doing the geometry, you are doing the math, science, you are reading that, and sometimes you didn't understand that. What do you think? That no, I can't understand and leave it. आप उसको छोड़ देते हैं, है ना। कभी कभी अपन घर पर कैसे करते हैं कि नहीं ये काम मुझसे होगा ही नहीं, आई विल नॉट डू दिस, मैं नहीं करूँगा। तो थॉमस एडिसन ने जब बल्ब का इन्वेंशन किया था तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ही ट्राइड, 1000 टाइम्स ही ट्राइड, कितनी बार? 1000 बार किया, 1000 बार। अपन कितनी बार करते हैं घर पर? 1 बार, 2 बार, 4 बार कर कर छोड़ देते हैं। समटाइम if you think that this is essential and you have to do that things, then you have to try it for that, है ना। every time what you have to do, try it for that, और जब तक वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता तब तक हमें ट्राई करना चाहिए, ठीक है। आप में से घर पर मोबाइल कितने बच्चे यूज करते हैं? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स। मोबाइल कौन कौन यूज करता है? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड फ्रेंकली। यस, वेरी गुड, क्या बात है। ओके, नाउ यस, ओके, फाइन फाइन, थैंक यू। नाउ जस्ट सी बेटा, आप लोग मोबाइल में क्या देखते हैं? दैट यू नो, कार्टून मूवीज, देन व्हाट यू सी? यस यस यस, अच्छा, होमवर्क यू डू, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, दैट्स वन essential point. Then so everybody use the mobile for the homework, nothing else, na? Nothing else you are seeing in the mobile? No, na? Okay, fine. Just listen carefully. Actually, when we are saying about the science, you know the APJ Abdul Kalam? Fine. He was a missile man, है ना, मिसाइल मैन थे। उन्होंने पृथ्वी, अग्नि, ऐसे बहुत सारे मिसाइल्स और उनका डेवलपमेंट किया था। और वो सब कैसा किया था? इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजी, मतलब स्वदेशी तकनीक, विच इज द थीम ऑफ दिस ईयर्स National Science Day, which was set by the Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh about this theme. And on this theme, Abdul Kalam had worked. You know, sometimes 7th, 8th students, they get the mobiles for their searching of different topics. You know, in Google, everything is there. When you search any point, you want to know about the any point, then anytime there's a Google is there, and you can see everything there. He was saying one of the story. Last students have heard or not, I don't know. Then what was the story? That what happens when he was saying about the scientist, कि when scientist was there, उसका स्कूल में मन नहीं लगता था पढ़ाई करने के लिए, है ना। तो उसके टीचर्स ने क्या किया? उसकी मम्मी को एक लेटर भेजा और उसमें क्या लिखा कि आपके बच्चे को इस स्कूल से निकाल दीजिए, लेके जाइए, हम नहीं पढ़ाएंगे उसको। What his mother said to him at home, उसकी मम्मी ने उसको घर पर आकर क्या कहा? वो थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराई और उन्होंने कहा, बच्चे ने पूछा क्या लिखा है मम्मा इस लेटर के अंदर? तो उन्होंने क्या कहा उसको? बेटा, उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा है कि आपका बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड है, तो हमारे टीचर्स उसको नहीं पढ़ा सकते, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू टेक योर एडमिशन इन अनदर स्कूल। देन शी टेक द एडमिशन इन अनदर स्कूल एंड ही वाज सो मच टैलेंटेड एंड ही इन्वेंटेड अबाउट द बल्ब एंड अदर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस। यू नो, वंस एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ मैं आपको छोटी सी। कभी कभी अपन बोलते हैं ना रिसर्च, आप लोग बहुत छोटे हैं वो सब समझने के लिए। साइंटिस्ट की बात करते हैं अपन, जो बहुत सारे इन्वेंशंस होते हैं, ढेर सारे इन्वेंशंस वगैरह करते हैं। तो जो साइंटिस्ट वगैरह होते हैं तो कभी अपने आप को अपने काम के अंदर, क्या होता है घर पर हम हमारे रूम के अंदर पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं और जैसे ही घर की बेल बजी कि हम इमीडिएट जाते हैं डोर ओपन करने के लिए। कभी फोन का रिंग बजा, हम इमीडिएट जाते हैं फोन अटेंड करने के लिए। व्हाट इज द नीड टू गो देयर? देयर इज नो नीड टू गो देयर। तो एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ छोटी सी। एक बहुत ही अच्छा साइंटिस्ट था, हाँ, एक बहुत अच्छी सी साइंटिस्ट की, बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट जहाँ पर काम करते हैं, ऐसा एक इंस्टीट्यूट था। वहाँ के एक मैनेजर थे। तो साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया? एक साइंटिस्ट ने बोला मैनेजर को कि आज शाम को मुझे 5 बजे घर पर जाना है। तो मैनेजर आस्क्ड टू हिम व्हाई यू वांट टू गो? देन ही सेड दैट वन ऑफ द साइंस एग्जीबिशन इन माय किड्स स्कूल इज देयर, सो आई वांट टू टेक हिम देयर। मुझे उसे वहाँ पर लेकर जाना है, इसलिए मैं शाम को 5 बजे जाना चाहता हूँ। मैनेजर सेड यस, ओके, यू कैन मूव, आप जा सकते हैं। बट व्हेन ही सी एट द टाइम ऑफ 5 दैट साइंटिस्ट वाज so much busy in his work, मतलब वो अपना काम करने में इतना बिजी हो गया कि उसको टाइम का ही ध्यान नहीं रहा कि 5 बज गई। उसके बाद में जब उसने अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट, अपना रिसर्च वर्क बहुत कुछ कर रहा था, सडनली ही सी अबाउट द वॉच एंड व्हाट ही सी दैट इट्स 8 o'clock now. He was so much sad that now it's 8. What my kid was thinking, उसको ले जा नहीं पाया, ये नहीं किया। Then he immediately goes to his manager's room, cabin, और अपने मैनेजर को देखता है। वो देखता है अरे मैनेजर भी चला गया, everybody has gone, now I am here, and he was doing some research work. And what he see, पूरे रास्ते में वो घर जाते सोचता है अभी मेरा बेटा मुझे क्या कहेगा, मैं उसको लेकर नहीं गया, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया। But he was so much busy और अपने वर्क के अंदर इतना डेडिकेटेड था, बट व्हाट ही सी एट होम, कि उसके जो किड थे उनको कौन लेके जाता है, उनका जो मैनेजर होता है ना, वही उन बच्चों को वो साइंस एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए लेकर चला जाता है। और वो मैनेजर कौन था? ही वॉज द APJ Abdul Kalam. When he was in his office and he said about the scientists who were working in his institute, that time he see that my scientists are doing so much hard work. They didn't know about the time. When we are doing something, अगर आपको कोई बोलता है, मम्मी बोलती है आधा घंटा पढ़ाई करना है बेटा, अभी 5 से 6 बजे तक 1 घंटा आपको पढ़ाई करना है, तो sometimes what we do again and again we are seeing about the watch that 6 कब बजेगी, कब हम खेलने के लिए जाएंगे, ऐसा सोचते हैं ना कई बार अपन। तो अपन ने क्या करना चाहिए बेटा, जब भी अपन पढ़ रहे होते हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं, तो उस समय जो पढ़ना है उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना चाहिए, है ना, whatever time we are giving to that. And as you know about the science, sometime आपने देखे होंगे कई superstitions होते हैं, कई लोग होते हैं ना वो ऐसा जादू करते हैं, कुछ तो भी ऐसा हाथ पे दिखाते हैं, फिर कहते हैं अरे देखो ये हाथ पर से गायब हो गया। कभी क्या करते हैं, कोई नारियल वगैरह होता है उसको फोड़ते हैं, उसमें से कुछ तो भी निकलता है। क्या देखते हैं हम लोग, देखते हैं कहाँ से आया नारियल में, ये कैसे आ सकता है। तो ये सारे के सारे तो सुपरस्टिशंस है। दे यूज द केमिकल्स एंड दे आर शोइंग टू यू दिस टाइप ऑफ अ मैजिक इन दैट, ठीक है। अनदर थिंग व्हेन वी आर सेइंग अबाउट द साइंस, तो साइंस इज जस्ट नॉट अ बुकिश नॉलेज। सिर्फ आप बुक्स कर रहे हैं, थियरी पढ़ रहे हैं, लेक्चर्स कर रहे हैं, दैट टाइप ऑफ इज नॉट अ साइंस। इफ यू डेवलप योर साइंस, दैट एवरी टाइम दिस साइंस इज नॉट द थियरी lectures, it should be done practically. And as I'm very happy that in your school these type of a field visits, this type of a work, this type of experiments are done very regularly, because जब आप लोग देखते हैं ना किसी चीज को, मैंने यहाँ पर आपको कहा हाथी ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है, और मैंने आपको हाथी के पास से लेकर चली गई, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी इजीली, वेरी वेल, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट थिंग्स। समझ पाते हैं कि नहीं? समझते हैं ना? तो अपने को देखकर ज्यादा समझ में आता है। एवरी टाइम एक बात और ध्यान रखिए बेटा, कभी भी अभी भी अपन जैसे 7th 8th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए स्पेशली आई वांट टू से समथिंग, दैट व्हेनेवर आफ्टर योर कंप्लीशन ऑफ 10th यू आर स्टडीइंग फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, so you have to try it from just now, from 6th standard students, you have to try for that, you have to think about like that कि what you can do, कि आप लोग कैसे पढ़ाई करते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए। हम लोग बोलते हैं ना that is a foundation course and all that things are there. And one more thing is there, always try to compete not for the marks, just to clear your concept. Whatever your teacher is saying to you, that this type of thing is there, just try to understand the concept always. If you know about the concept, then you can perform very well. And so every time just remember, don't for the compete for the marks that I have to get the 95, 98 marks. This is another thing. When you are doing well, when you are doing everything well, then you will get 100% that type of a marks. But you have to understand about the concept, whatever your teacher is saying to you, whatever teacher is learning to you. So, and every time, just remember, आप लोग जब भी क्लास में होते हैं, तो don't hesitate to ask the question, because education is a process to learn every time. Just now, I am here from the last 18 years in the college, but just now also I am a learner. I am not a teacher, I am not a professor, I am a learner. Because every time I want to learn something, and every time from my students also I learn it something, and many times. तो हर समय कुछ न कुछ सीखते रहना चाहिए। जब भी आपका टीचर आपको कुछ सिखाते हैं, बताते हैं, तो आपको उसको अच्छी तरह से देखना चाहिए, सीखने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि कैसे वो बताते हैं, क्या करते हैं। एंड वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, जस्ट रिमेंबर बेटा, two type of soft skills are there. You know about the hard skills and soft skills are there. Every time whatever studying you are in the school, that all are related to your hard skills, sometimes soft skill is also required. You see some of the students doing the practicals, some of the students are doing the experiments, some are participating in different type of competitions, and at the same time you are not participating in the competition. Teacher said to you that please come on the stage, you are not coming on the stage, you are somewhere of the shy natured or like that. So don't do like that. ऐसा मत कीजिए. Whenever you are getting the opportunity, then you have to express yourself. Your presentation, your communication skill, that should be that's not very important, because these are some of the soft skills which are required everywhere. Whenever when you are going to the doctor, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं ना कभी दिखाने के लिए, फिर आप अपनी मम्मा को बोलते हैं नहीं मुझे उस डॉक्टर के पास जाना है. Two doctors are the same for the same type of a disease, but you want to prefer one of the doctor. Why you are preferring one doctor? You said no, that doctor is okay. वो बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं, वो मुझसे बहुत हंसकर बात करते हैं और आधी बीमारी तो मेरी वहीं दूर हो जाती है. That is the part of the soft skill. Every time at the home also you be in a discipline. कैसा होना चाहिए? थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन में रहना चाहिए अपन, है ना. स्कूल में भी अपने टीचर्स का कहना मानना चाहिए. ऑलवेज दे आर सेइंग गुड फॉर गुड अबाउट यू. So soft skills are very much required whenever you are getting a chance for opportunity to express yourself. At that time, don't leave that chance and opportunity. You have to come on this stage. You have to say the much more things about that. And this is a learning time. And every time you have to try to learn the things. Whenever you try to learn things, you are getting a new chances and new things to understand. So as I'm saying about that science is a vast area. Science is one of the vast area. You have to develop yourself in the subject of science. अच्छा, everybody know जब आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? ब्रश करते हैं. Any time anybody had seen about the toothpaste? आपके टूथपेस्ट में क्या रहता है? कुछ केमिकल्स रहते हैं. अभी कल घर पे जाकर सब लोग देखेंगे. सुबह जब ब्रश करेंगे ना तो अपने टूथपेस्ट के कंटेंट्स देखेंगे. उनमें क्या क्या कंटेंट्स लिखे हुए हैं. एवरीवेयर केमिस्ट्री इज देयर, एवरीवेयर साइंस इज देयर. है कि नहीं? साइंस सब जगह पर. आप यहाँ पर बैठे हैं उसके अंदर साइंस है. आपने कपड़े पहने हुए उसमें साइंस है. एवरीवेयर साइंस इज देयर इन द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, है ना. सो साइंस इज सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू डेवलप योरसेल्फ इन दैट फिनोमिना एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू. अच्छा, एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं अपन छोटी सी. यू आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन योरसेल्फ. कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है क्या? यस, पक्का. मैं जो बोलती हूँ वो समझ में आएगा आपको? पक्का. ओके, फाइन. We are doing one of the activity, but without disturbing yourself. अपने आप को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना. Whatever I am saying to you that you have to do. Fine? Will you do? This is not a part of science, but it's related to like science. What you know that science में क्या होता है? Same things क्या करते हैं आपस में एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं? Repel करते हैं. और opposite charges क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे को attract करते हैं. You know the concept? I think 6th, 7th standard or 3rd, 4th student also know this thing. We are doing just want to see your focus, your concentration on yourself. We are doing one of the activity. ठीक है? You are very small to do that, but it's okay, fine. So, are you ready? Okay, fine. Everybody has to be silent. Whatever I am saying to you, that you have to do. Fine. Firstly, what you have to do, when I will say to you, you have to put your both hands like. Okay, just first put your hands near the cheek. Everybody? Very good. कोई हंसेगा नहीं बीच में. सिर्फ कंसंट्रेशन के साथ करना है. Whatever you are doing, you have to do with the concentration. Fine? अभी आप अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. उसी हाथ को सीधा थोड़ा सा आगे लेके आएंगे. उतनी ही डिस्टेंस पे हाथ आगे लेकर आएंगे. ठीक है? अब मैं जैसा ऐसा बोलूंगी सिर्फ ध्यान से सुनेंगे. आंखें सबकी बंद ही रहेगी. Now, as I said you about the science, there is attraction and repulsion is there. As all we know that same charges repel to each other and opposite charges attract to each other. So we are doing the experiment of repulsion between the two hands of yours. आपके दोनों हाथ एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर होते जा रहे हैं. आंखें नहीं खोलनी है. आपके हाथ और भी दूर होते जा रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे आपके हाथों के बीच की दूरी बढ़ती जा रही है. उनमें एक रिपल्शन क्रिएट हो रहा है. यू आर टोटली फोकस्ड ऑन योर आई. आपके हाथों के बीच की दूरी बढ़ती जा रही है. एज वी नो दैट देयर इज अ repulsion which have the repulsion, that's why आपके हाथ और दूर होते जा रहे हैं, थोड़े से हाथों के बीच की दूरी और बढ़ती जा रही है और बढ़ती जा रही है, हाथों के बीच का डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता है. Same charges comes closer and there is a repulsion, that's why your hands are going from apart from each other. Okay, now हाथ वैसे ही रहने देंगे. Just open your eyes and see the distance between your hands. पास में लेके जाओ अपने हाथों को. कहाँ चले गए? दूर चले गए क्या? Yes, very good. Whenever we are doing something, we have to do something. At that time, we have to imagine the things also. Before doing the experimental, we have to imagine that things, है ना? Okay, अभी रख दो, हाथ को रख दी. दूर चला गया तो चला गया, दूर चला गया, बहुत ज़्यादा दूर चला गया. Yes, specs. तब he is checking his hands. मेरे हाथ तो यहाँ थे, यहाँ कैसे चले गए? It means because you have so much concentration, you have the focused. Every time, just remember, whenever you are studying, at that time you have to be concentrate on yourself. सिर्फ कभी-कभी क्या होता है, लोग बुक्स खोल के बैठ जाते हैं बहुत देर तक, है ना? लेकिन पढ़ते तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Whenever you are studying, आप 4 घंटे पढ़ाई मत कीजिए, 2 घंटे ही पढ़ाई कीजिए. लेकिन उस 2 hours में दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं. No phone bells, no door bells, nothing should be there. Nothing should be in mind that I have to go for the play and like that. 2 hours study means 2 hours, but it is with the full concentration, full focused study should be there. Then you will get the results. Another one more thing, as everybody knows about the corona. Corona मालूम है ना, it was a pandemic situation was there. And as you know, that time vaccination was there. आप लोगों ने भी लिया होगा वैक्सीन वगैरह. So you know, our India has this much science and technology that in the situation of the pandemic situation of corona, they have. Yes, बेटा उसने आंखें नहीं खोली क्या अभी तक? Okay, experiment is completed. Yes, white hairband. I think she was trying for that. Sit down, please. Sit down. Okay, fine. So what I want to say that corona situation was there, but our Indian scientists immediately found about the vaccine. है ना, वैक्सीन फाउंड करी, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ, कोरोना का परसेंटेज कम हो गया. तो और इंडिया, आवर कंट्री इज सो मच डेवलप फॉर दैट. एंड नाउ बहुत नई रिसर्च और रोज होती रहती है ना, तो नई रिसर्च वगैरह होती रहती है. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है जो मैंने आपको बताया, नेवर स्टॉप टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. Curiosity. Whenever you have any type of a question in the class, every time you have to ask to your teacher. कभी भी क्वेश्चन पूछना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. Whatever query you have, अगर छोटी से छोटी भी कोई बात हो ना, तो आपको क्लास में अपने टीचर को पूछना चाहिए, है ना. तो every time you have to question yourself also and teacher also. So people see the बैठ जाएंगे straight, एकदम straight. सब लोग बैठे हैं straight एकदम. Very good. Now I think you are tired so much, so I think I have to stop here. Thank you so much. Thanks to giving me this opportunity to interact with you like young talent buds. And next time I will see the you know, many of you also do these type of inventions. Sometime I want to see, and we will definitely see in future your young generations which will bud with the talent. And very all the best to all of you. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Good afternoon, students. Once again, very happy National Science Day to all of you. I just want to thank Oza ma'am for such a wonderful speech and encouraging words, ma'am. Really means your speech was motivational and inspiring for our students. Means in spite of being a mentor of postgraduate students, she delivered such a nice speech for school students, means 3rd standard child to understood and listen to you very keenly. You kept them engaged really, and that activity which ma'am took, it was really very awesome. We actually felt the repulsion. If we really listen something, we concentrate at something, then we really get it. Because I got to know. Even you too might have got to know that how much focused or concentrated you are. As ma'am said, every time you should come forward, never hesitate to ask your doubt, participate in activities and explore the knowledge. Science is everywhere, and I know you all love science a lot. I just want to tell you, ma'am, on occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we have kept project exhibition in our school where it was like science exhibition only. We will definitely feel very good if you will come to our school once again to visit such exhibition, and children will definitely, they will explore their knowledge and you will definitely like it. Thank you so much once again.
We have come to the end of the program. So I call upon Master Arnab Pandekar to propose vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. It is only nice that of the night. It's pleasure to thank Dr. Mrs. Rajeshwari Oza ma'am for attending and guiding the students on Science Day program. I would like to express my gratitude to our principal ma'am and all the teachers for arranging such program to the students. Thank you all the students for your patient listening and participation. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Stand up.